Um, hmm, hey, I've been a little quiet lately. Um, Maybe you haven't seen much of me in here, wherever you're watching this, in the forums, in my community, or in your inbox, in your feed, whatever. If you have seen me, it's because of the magic of automation and my awesome team that keeps my content being published in my absence. But I've been gone. I haven't been here. I know it, and maybe you felt that. And I want to speak to that honestly. It was a hard winter for my family. A couple months ago, our family experienced a tragedy. It's the kind of thing that stops everything and reshapes how you see the world. We had a stillborn baby, our fourth child, a little girl. She has a name and a resting place where we can go visit her and grieve, try to heal. It took me away from all of my work. It pulled me out of it, and it completely shook me. And really, that's kind of all I can comfortably share. I haven't really wanted to talk about this publicly. It's just been too raw and personal, and something I just wasn't able, it didn't feel right sharing that. So the reality is I can only smile and pretend I'm not fundamentally a different man for so long. Because I think that there's healing in being real and authentic and honest, and open, while still maintaining and safeguarding what I think is private and meant only for me and my family. But what I share online isn't a character or a facade. At least I want to make certain that it's not. It should be an extension and a piece of who I am. Really, I want my kids, when they're older, to find these parts of me online and to see me, not a character or a parody of their dad. So I will say this. Spring is here, and coming out the other side, I'm not the same man. I'm changed. A little tattered, a little more gray, but also more grounded, more focused, and with a clearer view of what actually matters. That's God, family, freedom, purposeful work that serves your family, and not the other way around. So this audience I've built, creative crew, as we currently call it, it's now 3 years old. Truth be told, my community is much older than that. I've been doing this for 12 years, since my first daughter was born. So this community was never meant to be a place to just talk shop. It's not here so that we could just push pixels, fiddle with features, and moan about tools. I think this space exists for something bigger. It's for people who want to build a business that actually gives them life instead of taking it from them. I'm not talking about the type of business that requires you sacrifice your family at its altar. I'm talking about a purposeful business, one that lets you take care of the bills and then some. One that lets you sit down at your desk in the morning and actually feel good about what you've made. One that gives you a space to be there for your family, to provide, to pause, to live, to work on things that matter, to be present. Look, I'm under no illusion that there's a perfect job, a perfect business, a perfect client, a perfect income, a perfect life. There's unavoidable suffering to be found in all of it. And instead of hiding from it, lean into it, embrace it, let the suffering be a part of it. There's no such thing as once I achieve X, then I'll relax. Or once I earn Y or Z, then I'll be happy. You won't. Because The happiness, the rest, the accomplishment, the purpose, it lies within the pursuit, not the milestone. And you are in pursuit right now. That can make you happy. That can give you purpose. But the pursuit is hard. It's strenuous because you're hungry, you're scared, you're at risk, but you're alive. You're energized. You're nervous. You're in pursuit. And you'll forgive me for veering off into a philosophical tangent. I think it's just a part of how I attempt to understand the world and my place in it. But I'll try to bring it back to ground level here. I care about helping others succeed at doing purposeful work that provides for their families, for their communities, a sense of accomplishment that the work they do actually matters. This idea is even at the heart of my own agency, my own service-based business called Creator Engines, formerly Done in One Day. Sure, on the surface, what it looks like I'm doing, if you were to watch me, is designing, building, and assembling automated email marketing and funnels and landing pages. But what I'm actually doing is working hard for my clients and serving them and enabling them to earn what they've worked so hard for, to make an income selling their products and their services. I feel like I'm doing right by the talents, the skills, and the personality that I've been given by the Creator to create something that helps others. I want to tell you a quick story that illustrates this, so stick with me. I think you'll like this. So I have a client who's an influential leader in the animal conservation and veterinary space. Think saving rhinos, shooting tranquilizer darts from helicopters in the African savannah, nursing apes back to health, running away from wild animals. It's pretty cool stuff. Now, her goal is to help others, in particular women, to transition from the veterinary profession into full-time conservation. Now, she knows how to do this, but her struggle or roadblock was being able to earn enough from her coaching and products and community and ebooks to put her full focus on serving this community. So I pitched her on building an automated marketing funnel for her business, top to bottom, working my magic. And I was confident that doing this would get her closer to her goal. Now, she was nervous, rightfully so, uncertain that handing over a few $1,000s, all of her budget, to some man she'd never actually met, on other than seeing a few Instagram reels, would be a wise move. Now, fast forward to when we launched her funnel. As of today, she's earned more than $51,000 in sales and $23,000 in projected annual recurring revenue from her launch. And it's only been about 10 days. It's like a life-changing amount. She was floored. And I don't think she expected that to happen. Now, I'm not going to take credit for building her audience, nor will I take credit for the trust that she's earned with that audience. That was all her. But I saw that she made something that mattered. She has expertise that her audience desperately wanted, needed. And I knew that I had the key to connecting those two pieces together. The experience and expertise I possessed was the very thing that I could offer to get her closer to her dream, and the rest would take care of itself. And it did. So not only did I serve one person and help her achieve her dream, arguably by doing that, I've helped hundreds of people get closer to theirs. And that's what gives me purpose when I have to carve hours out of my day, every day, to be away from my wife and my children, to lock myself here in my studio, to stare at a screen, type away, sift through emails, write content, humble myself on sales calls, get rejected, and work hard. On the other side of that hard work is service to another person who desperately needs what I can provide. The need to build a purposeful business, to make an income doing work that actually matters, that provides for your family. And at the end of the day, work that you can feel proud of. And that's what I care about. That's what gets me fired up. That's what I want for you. That's what Creative Crew is for. Now, in this season of Creative Crew, as we call my audience right now, in this community, Wix Studio sponsors this community. And I chose to build it with them for a reason. I actually use Wix Studio in my business. My wife's photography business runs on it. My Creator Engines agency site is being built on it right now. My clients use it. The client I just mentioned earlier, her site runs on the Wix platform. And I've built countless sites and experiments using Wix Studio. It's the tool I reach for in my belt because it works. And the team behind it, the people, they're amazing. Some of them have become my friends these past 3 years. So this isn't just a creator brand obligation. It's a partnership that I believe in. But this still isn't a fan club. This is a crew, a group of people building something that matters. So what does this mean? Here's what's coming next. I'm going to be hosting live events again, starting this month. In fact, I think I have in 13 minutes from this second that I'm recording, I have a live workshop in the community. I'm going to be rolling out new content, challenges, resources, things that you can actually use. You'll see me in here showing up, not coasting, not some automated version, although we will use automation to make it efficient. But I'll be here leading. But I don't want this to be a one-way effort. A community is an open line. So help me to serve you. What do you need? What are you working on? What are you stuck on? Where do you want to go? And how can we help you get there? If you're watching this on YouTube, drop a comment below the video. Or maybe it's embedded in a post on the community. Drop it in the comments section. Engage, hit reply, and let me know you're here. Tell me what matters to you right now and how we can help you. So let's pick it up. Let's go hard, and God bless you.